Hey everybody, Jason here. Welcome to my knot channel. In this video, we're going to have a look at the bull hitch. The bull hitch is a variation of the common cow hitch, or more specifically, a girth hitch. But the bull hitch offers more security because its structure has a cross over the front, as can be seen here. The cross adds more friction to the line and helps prevent it from slipping. The bull hitch can be tied a few different ways. The easiest is if you're using a shorter piece of rope and have access to both ends. You can simply begin with the common cow hitch and then make a twist in your loop, and then feed the ends through again. And then dress it so that you get the cross shape over top. We don't always have access to our ends, so I think this next method of tying is more important. Pass your working end around your anchor point and tie a half hitch. Then bring the end back over the standing part and then one more time around the anchor point. From there, feed the working end through the center of the knot before cinching it up. And then dress it so that you get the cross shape over top. The last method of tying the bull hitch is for when tying the knot on a bite and is useful when you're planning to use a device like a carabiner. Knot School has officially opened its doors. Come and explore the fascinating world of knots and enhance your skills today. It's a private, membership-based course and community for people serious about learning knots. Knot School offers a range of features designed for serious knot tying enthusiasts. Here are some of the features. Structured courses that include organized learning paths for different skill levels, allowing users to progress at their own pace. The courses themselves focus on a progressive learning curriculum and also contain resources for specific knot types. The courses include an extensive collection of high-quality video tutorials covering a wide variety of knots from basic to advanced. All of the learning modules include step-by-step instructions, clear demonstrations, and multiple angles for optimal learning. There are a lot of different resources for learning knots, but there's only one knot school. Begin by creating a bite in your line and folding it over to make the shape of a cow hitch. Now pass your right loop through the left and over, returning it back to the right side as shown here. Now you can see we have the shape of the bull hitch, and we only need to clip onto it. From here, again, we just cinch it up tight. And that's it for the bull hitch. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.